Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hey guys, good morning. Well, it's afternoon.
Afternoon is after church.
It's afternoon, a late start. I went to church today, just finished. Just finished church. Oh Lord, Pops is sleeping.
Going to look some food.
Yeah, we're going to go get something to eat. Because we went to church and we go get nothing to eat yet. So I'm just going to get something to eat. Oh gosh, I haven't been feeling so good, so I haven't been vlogging. I know I'm behind on my vlogging, but that's okay. I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. I feel like I'm not river. But water probably really Mario, when I say water cold.
So where you Mario coming at this?
Why you coming at this?
River water cold. River water cold? River water cold.
I do say cold.
See if God of this and no planting.
I know planting a banana.
A plant?
Yeah, for the you don't have banana, Romario and banana.
Hello, Romario took a green banana
I same thing, they send a cry from it this morning. And go back and in see the pudding counter and did it until him get upset all the water back and fling off it to walk the back off like counter.
He make it look so?
Because yes, because he can't in the try to reach a banana and he can't get him to tell him say no banana, so he just fling him off.
With that green banana.
But he doesn't know that they're green. He knows that it's banana and he wants it.
He sees it because he's like a nana?
Yeah. All him knows is a banana and he wants the banana. So I probably tell Mario to get him banana because he loves banana. Because all the mango, because when the mangoes them that we got, the whole night they're really soft and sitting there and said, it's not look good at all.
The man say, the man got them too ripe from me, but I said, bossy, I'm too ripe. I know it's really going to stay. You can't buy them too ripe.
You buy them too ripe.
So, because of that, so because of that, he end up getting even more mad because he can't get the banana and he want the mango, can't get that either. And he loves fruits. That's something that I noticed. What kind of plant is that, babe? What kind of plant is that? Yeah, so I guess I can show you guys my food when we get it. Alright guys. So we're at Fada Christmas Canyons. Oh yeah, for all my pork lovers. I love pork. So you're standing so in front of the something you have soup? So this is how custom are done.
Ya pego. Venga, que llaman. What are you drinking?
We're having some soup.
Cold soup.
I know. I'm missing you was that tiny. You was so cute.
Don't worry, I know.
Alright, that's send you
Yeah,
this.
I get fish and
You Mario? That's what I said?
no, you
I'm sending you mommy. I'm gonna be sending you.
wanna give me nothing at all? I don't get no food.
So I thought you up there and contact one more.
Yeah, that fish. So,
Take a fish. There I know.
fry fish.
Yeah, we should have all of these.
They them want festival. Fry plantain and fish.
What are you planning?
Yeah, so you want plantain.
You know the man.
You know why plantain or green plantain. I did.
Wow.
Come on, let me back and see your food.
Yeah, I think so.
You look how we can like. What is your food like? Let me see your visa. What is it?
I brush that there. Here is that.
Here.
Are they upper good?
Hmm?
Are they upper good?
Yeah.
You never heard that one man.
Let me ask you, man.
Here is that.
Me, I'm talking about your shit.
You want the food? They don't want the food. Eat. I'm having my soup. So as I'm just here having some soup.
And I'll feed you face one more food. You got one already, and the buy next one. What? Yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh. So we have 3 more food with the bowl. Fish. Tonight. Wangarisa. What? These are really food. must. Yes, start. Fada Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh Lord. So guys, I am full. Whew. Yeah. But we have fish to go with festival. Yeah. So I have escovitch fish to go with festival. That's for later. Yeah, because that was like lunch. Well, breakfast and lunch. So that was my brunch. It's the first time eating, but my stomach is hurting me because like, oh, gas pain, guys. Oh Lord, they come like gas pain to kill me. It's doing some damage, but we've been to travel with the gas pain since my surgery. I don't know, so I have to be very mindful of stuff. We're still at the restaurant now.
Hey, Maria get more festival.
Oh,
Maria contact me. You don't want to take my picture, you know, because my time say mom Maria match. You see if you see, I him fi come take you one picture, you know. I ain't not say nothing.
Want to sell out Maria already, you know? You know?
yeah.
Want to sell out Maria and I want to go home. Rude man. What?
You know, want go home, can you go?
Come here, you're back here. Come here. Daddy, I'll check back later.
You know, want go home, can you
Go on. Mario, man, go on. Let's look more come back, Mario. Tell him.
Yeah, go change. Go home, go. Ow!
Maria
Lock it up on my foot.
What?
Come.
Yeah. Oh, Maria boot a crutch me. Jesus and peace. My poor knee them done for.
Dada, bring you home for the change, okay? You go back outside. You have to go come out here change the church clothes.
And I go back out the door for walk. And I go back out the door. You can't breathe.
Are you ready for the river here?
Maria! You pick me up, press on my gun.
Mario having sitting in the pan.
Mario begs. We are fluff.
Because Mario go lock him up in the house now.
Festival now this year, can we figure out the door?
Which one?
This year one, yeah.
I don't know.
Yes.
There's one in it. Come!
Oh, by the way, guys, we don't live far from here. We just live around the corner. Papa wants to go.
Yeah, me put
Yeah, drive for the people in grass, Mario. And look over. I'll sign you, look over.
Billy Breeze.
But Mario, go and do it with cat. Okay?
So, hey guys, we just reached. Well, we've been home.
Just reach home.
You just reach up and go baggy. Instead of, oh my god, you shave your armpits? This far? So gross now! I know, guys.
Yeah, beat him up.
Yes. Oh my god, you better than me. Sometimes you'll be weird 3 weeks before we even share the line. That's how me camera. I'll become a dance.
Hey,
Say hi.
calm down.
You say hi?
Move from the father. Go ahead. Come, watch her. Look. Watch.
Say hi. Hi guys.
Bye. Go away. Mario.
Hi guys.
Sit.
Oh gosh.
Hi, Papa. What's my business?
We're here tired. We're debating. Mario blocked the vlog. Hello, I can't talk to the people I'm doing that. So we're debating on what to do.
You don't feel somebody there?
No.
You're bright. You're not even on my 2 years. I can't take up residence. Over go. Move.
Yeah, Maria, party, let's see. What's up?
That's all. Exactly. That's what I thought. Ow.
Oh my god.
You can't hammer it out yourself.
So, we're...
I'm continuous. What's up?
Ow! Oh my god. Wait, the drop.
I'm glad hello, man. Look where, man. Chop.
Romero, feet gone. Shut.
How you feel? Crush his spine.
So we're trying to figure out what to do. We're all full. And either we're gonna get the itis and drop asleep.
Wait for me.
Or we're gonna go take a little drive. Guys, can you believe my Christmas tree?
Oh.
My Christmas tree not come yet. I'm still, the color that I'm looking for.
Oh.
Mario, have the car key, Mario.
When you come by?
Don't know.
It was on the bed.
Who have it by the bed?
I put it down along with the house keys, I think.
The house key, I'm put on your house key. Good boy.
I put
So we have a car key.
the house key and the car key were together.
Don't come in here.
Key, yes,
Before me
key.
pump, you hear me?
Let's see what him they hide. With
Both.
the key.
The only key I had, I opened the door and I put the key over the shelf.
So, yeah,
And
guys,
let me
my
put
Christmas
later.
tree has not reached yet.
You know, come.
Yeah.
You hear where Mario is?
I don't know what's going on. I'm feeling a little bit defeated right now. But, key, yeah.
Can you
Key?
mind your people?
Key.
Mind your people,
Oh, you
me.
want a key, I'm not a key.
So, you think he's stupid?
Sometimes, yes, man.
I know, but it looks like our key, that's why. You remember, say ours is in a case like that, so that's why him know a key.
Remember, you stop crying. Oh, please have me here.
Oh, God.
Let me one.
Huh?
You're not even make zero.
Come, baby, I can drive go down the river.
What river?
What down there? Or what
Which
down
way you drive?
this? What down there?
That's one big boy drive. Remember?
Hello.
Okay, tell me to tell this game.
Just listen right now. You can't ask me because I threw you on my bakes.
How much?
Don't know. But just open your seat, so.
Oh, you must see that seat.
Thank God. Where?
Okay, it's on funny.
No, I don't see with my iPad on my bed.
When did you see
You
it like
mad?
that? Since you been down here?
Yes.
I wonder for last night when it dropped.
No, before that day.
Oh.
I don't see. You're mad. Hey, me love this too much. You
You
know?
dropped on the plane.
Protector.
There's a screen protector on it though. Thank God. I will pay $400 fee here and then you have to take it down.
So,
Mad.
yeah, so we're just here relaxing. I don't know.
Ow,
Whether
ow.
everybody eat and have them belly full. Na na na. Na na. Ow, Romario.
What?
You got a key? Where you come here? Yes, a key. Car key. It's a car key.
I kind of feel tired.
No, that's sweet.
Yeah, I kind of feel tired, guys. Not gonna lie. Maybe you need one nap.
Go back over for later when you're ready.
Where I say more lively at night.
I'm going to hang out tonight.
Key. Oh, you're showing them the key? A key. Yay. See, I got the key, guys.
Ring-a-ling-a-ling. School
Yeah.
bell ring. Move your body. Sure. You can't stop skin out.
You talk to them?
Yeah, vlog, Papa. You better than that.
You better than you seen any talk.
Oh, for Mario, oh, your finger them smell like your mouth. So, invade personal space. Get off my iPad. Somebody was saying.
Well, if we're doing anything later, we'll clock back in. As for now, I think we're gonna take a nap.
You all wanna take nap?
When we wake up past me time, and if we wake up so early, I did get up how much o'clock earlier. That's why about 3 o'clock in the morning, me up. And I couldn't go back to sleep fully. I'm there and then me start having like the craziest dream ever. Yeah. So I have to go. Yeah. So if we're doing anything.
Stop!